Now, number 5, the graph of the function f is shown above. Which of the following statements is false? So I want something that is false, right? So first of all, I already know the answer is C, so I'm just going to try to prove all the other ones wrong, right? So part A, answer choice A, limit x goes to 2 exists, right? So does it exist? Absolutely. The limit as x approaches 2 is right there, this region, right? Now, don't get confused with this, right? That is the defined value of f of x where x is equal to 2. That's not the limit. That is the value, right? So the limit is whether you're coming from to the left of 2 or from the right of 2, well, it's approaching the same value. If you take a look at it from the left, well, you're heading towards that 2. From the right, you're also heading towards the 2. That's literally what limit means, right? So the limit does exist. This is true, which is why we get rid of it, because something false that we're trying to look for here. Choice B, limit x goes to 3 exists. Once again, same idea, right? Where x is 3, that's right there. Whether you're coming from the left or to the right, you're reaching the same value, so the limit does exist. This is true, which is why we get rid of it. Once again, I know C is the right answer, so let me provide D and E are true first. D, as x goes to 5, the limit exists. Same thing, right there. Comes here, so it reaches the same value. The limit does exist indeed. That's why you get rid of it. And the function f is continuous at x is equal to 3. We'll take a look. It's not like we have a hole or like an asymptote or anything, right? So it is continuous. Remember, the very simple definition of continuous is if you don't have to take your pencil off the paper and keep drawing your lines, that's literally what it means to be continuous. So it is continuous. This is true, which is why you get rid of it. Now, why is C wrong? Limit as x approaches 4, f of x is 6. If you take a look at where x is 4, take a look. If you're coming from the left of the 4, you're reaching the value of 2. But if you're coming from the right of the 4, you're reaching the value of 4. So what the hell is a limit? Well, you don't have a limit because one's approaching 2, the other one's approaching 4. They're not approaching the same value, which is why the limit doesn't exist. That's why this is false. That's why that's your answer.